Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, November the 7th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle 12 by 12, yes, and the regular killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. The puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But this afternoon I will solve these 2 regular puzzles. And yeah, what's the news of today? Well, the news, it's still about the war, yeah. The war. A lot of people are living in fear here. So cease the fire. Yes, cease fire. No war more. No war more. Yes, cease fire. Please. The Israeli, the army is surrounding Gaza City. And yeah, they have bombed the city. It's a disaster. Ceasefire, yes, ceasefire. Alright, enough about the war. Binary puzzle number 7404. Yeah, 704. 7404. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 39 printed digits. And it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 O's and 6 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 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 Now the double ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 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 More double O's? No. How about the double ones again? Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1, double 1, double 1. Nope. No. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay, double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 1s comes in O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1, between the 1's comes in O, between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Let me check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So do I start ones? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So do I start O's? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I need to think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. We have here 5 ones. If we place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So that's the O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I think we need to compare. 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Let me compare. This is taking too long. We have a double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. This is not complete. And we have a double O here. 1, no. Double O, no. How about here, the double 1 here? This is not the same, this one. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey?
Ja, lekker of niet?
Nee.
Ik ben mijn broek vergeten, mijn kiddo-broek. Hebben jullie hier nog ergens? Gelegen?
interruption. We will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's, an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fifth, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Yeah. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and a 1 here. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also O and a 1 there. And how about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to compare these two columns or these two rows. Let me check double O here. Double O. Not the same. How about this one? No, this is double 1. So I cannot compare this one. How about the double 1 then? Here we have a double 1. 1 O. Yes. We got you. This one and that one. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 30 minutes. Well. Solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.